Okay, this is a brief demonstration of the Google Translate Chrome extension in the Chrome browser and how it can translate web pages into different languages. So to get started, I'm in the Chrome web browser and I've searched the Chrome Web Store for Google Translate. And this is the Translate extension. I'm going to add it to Chrome, like so. And then I'm going to navigate to Blackboard, because this is the page I want to look at in a different language. When I'm looking at the web page that I want to look at in a different language, I'm going to go to my extensions area. And it's a good idea to pin the extension so you can always see it next to the address bar. And to begin viewing the content of this page in another language, I'm going to access that tool and then click Translate this page. And that should make the Google Translate bar at the top of the page appear. If at first you see this in English, just change the language to the preferred language you want to see this in. Let's say I want Spanish. So you see how my menu has changed where the translate tool understands what the words are to Spanish. Now some things it might have trouble translating because of how unique the word is, like smarter proctoring. There isn't really a alternative way of saying that. That's the brand of the tool. But for everything else, you could see the menu has translated, but bear in mind that this translation needs to run on every page that you go to. So right now I'm on announcements, also anuncios. If I were to go to, let's say, weekly lessons, notice how I'm back to English. Alright, so all I need to do is just click Show Original and then Translate again, and then I can see what this is in the alternative language. Now, you might run into difficulties with tests, though. If I were to begin this, I'm not sure. Oh, it didn't kick me out. Okay, so that's promising. I was afraid that the page was going to refresh and kick me out of the test, but it didn't. So there was a live update. That's nice. That's nice here. Let's just see what happens if I continue. Okay, we're back to English. So I'll just click Translate again, and there we go. Okay, so it's an option if you need a quick and easy way of getting translations available for text on web pages, but bear in mind there might be some glitches, like having to refresh the page with the tool, or just know that any files that you have selected or attached into your Blackboard, those don't get translated because they'll open in a separate application. So any files you attach, like a syllabus, and also any videos that you create won't get automatically translated by the Google Translate tool. You would have to provide alternative text options either in the document or in when you create the video. Like at UJA, there's a way to request automated captions in another language. All right, so this is one option.